This is Jamie Magrich. Welcome to Jamie's Craft Table. Today I'm going to show you how I made a little notepad with a pack of Post-its and a pen holder. Okay, so let's get started. I got a bunch of these Post-it type notes. These are just stick-on notes, they're called, from the dollar store. I'm using a 3 by 6 1/4 inch piece of thick white, and the reason I have that size is because my Post-it note is a 3-inch square. So I need the, well, it's kind of out of frame, 3-inch square. So I need it to be the 3 inches plus the depth of the pad. So you might have to adjust yours depending on how thick your pads are. I have 2 pieces of Designer Series paper, 2 7/8 inch square, and a 1/2 inch by 2 7/8 inches. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our 3 by 6 1/4 inch piece. We're going to score it at 3 inches and 3 1/4 inches. Okay, and we're going to fold on those crease lines. Make sure they're square and burnish those down. See how sometimes it folds weird? You want to make sure that these edges line up. Otherwise it's going to be a little wonky when you go to close the lid. It won't close squarely over it. Okay. So now I'm going to open it up. We're going to take our 2 7/8 inch square of Designer Series paper and use whatever you want. I'm using wet glue. You can use whatever adhesive you choose. I'm going to put it that way. Oh no, I'm going to put it this way. That's going to go on this front panel. There's going to be a little bit of a border all the way around it. Okay. Now we're going to take the 1/2 inch strip. We're going to take our bone folder and we're going to curl it a little bit. Then we're going to glue this end together. And maybe about a 1/2 inch. Let's glue that end together and pinch it. You don't want to crease it because that's your loop to hold your pen. And you can put your pen in there. Make sure it's good and tight around the pen so that it doesn't fall out. Okay, I'm going to turn this to the inside. You want the inside back cover. We're going to add a little bit of glue on the flat part, just on the one side. You don't need to do it on both sides. And let's see, about 3/4 inch from the bottom, from the score line, we're going to adhere that so that the loop is hanging off the card. Okay, now we're going to take our sticky note pad. We're going to find the part where it's all glued together. I'm going to put glue on the back. You could use tear and tape for this if you would rather. I just found this works just well. Gives you that little tiny bit of wiggle room. And you're going to put this on this back panel. Make sure it's square side to side. Fold the top. Turn it over and rub it. Okay, then you're going to add your pen. And there you go. That's your decorated poster. You could decorate it more if you wanted. You know, put some die cuts or something on there. I just wanted them pretty simple. Well, thanks for joining me at Jamie's Craft Table today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you can find a little bit of time to play with some paper.